Meeting on the plane.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead. Please sit down.
Thanks. Long flight, right?
Yeah, about 9 hours to New York.
First time going to New York?
No, I go every summer. And you?
First time. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll love it.
I hope so. By the way, I'm Ryan.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sophie.
Nice to meet you, Sophie. Where are you from?
I'm from Paris. And you?
I'm from Melbourne, Australia.
Oh, wow, that's so far.
Yes, very far.
What are you going to do in New York?
Just holiday, 1 week. And you?
I'm visiting my sister. She lives there.
That's nice. Do you speak English at home?
A little. I'm still learning.
Your English is really good.
Thank you. That's kind. At the airport.
Sophie, you're still here?
Yes, my bag is very heavy.
Do you need help?
Yes, please. Thank you, Ryan.
No problem. Is your sister picking you up?
Yes, she's waiting outside.
And me, I need to find a taxi.
Where are you staying?
A hotel in Manhattan, near Times Square.
Oh, nice. My sister lives in Brooklyn.
Is Brooklyn far from Manhattan?
About 30 minutes by subway.
The subway here is easy to use?
Yes, very easy. I can show you one day.
That would be great.
Here, take my number. Call me if you need anything.
Thank you, Sophie. You're very kind.
No problem. Welcome to New York, Ryan.
Thank you. See you soon.
See you soon.
First day in the city.
Sophie, I'm in Times Square right now.
Haha, how is it?
Crazy. So many people and lights.
Haha, yes, very typical New York.
I don't know where to go first.
Start with Central Park. It's beautiful in the morning.
How do I get there?
Take the subway, line A or C. Very easy.
Okay. And after the park?
Maybe the High Line. It's a park on old train tracks.
That sounds interesting.
It is. Great views of the city, too.
Are you free today?
This morning, I'm with my sister. But afternoon, yes.
Want to meet at Central Park? Around 2?
Sure, by the big fountain. You can't miss it.
Perfect. See you at 2.
Don't get lost. Haha.
I'll try not to.
See you later, Ryan.
Walking in Central Park.
Sophie, over here.
Ryan, you found the fountain.
Yes, only took me 20 minutes.
Not bad for a first day.
This park is amazing. It's huge.
Yes, it's like nature in the middle of the city.
I love it. Very peaceful.
Want to walk to the lake?
Sure. Is it far?
No, about 10 minutes walking.
Sophie, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work from home.
Oh, cool. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. I can work from anywhere.
That's a great life.
Yes. And you? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach history.
Oh, interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, a lot. Kids are funny sometimes.
I can imagine.
Look, there's the lake.
Beautiful, right?
Let's sit here for a bit.
Talking about food.
Sophie, I'm hungry. What should I eat?
Have you tried a New York bagel?
No. What is it?
It's like a bread ring, very popular here for breakfast.
Sounds good. And for dinner?
You have to try a real New York pizza.
Is it different from normal pizza?
Yes, very big slices. You fold it to eat.
Haha, that sounds fun.
And the cheesecake here is incredible.
Oh, I love cheesecake.
New York cheesecake is the best in the world.
Big claim. Haha.
Haha, try it and you'll agree.
Okay, tonight, pizza and cheesecake.
Perfect plan.
Want to come with me?
I can't tonight, but tomorrow for sure.
Deal. Tomorrow we eat everything.
Everything.
On the subway.
Sophie, the subway is confusing.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
There are so many lines.
Just remember, colors and numbers. Look at the map.
Okay, we need the red line.
Yes, take the one train uptown.
Uptown means north.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
Thank you. It's so busy in here.
Yes, rush hour is always like this.
Do you take the subway in Paris?
Yes, we call it the Mission. Same idea.
Is it cleaner than this?
A little, but New York has more character.
Character. That's one word for it.
Okay, our stop is next.
Already?
Yes, 34th Street. Let's go.
After you.
Thank you, Ryan.
At the museum.
I went to the Met Museum this morning.
Oh, the Metropolitan? How was it?
Amazing. I was there for 3 hours.
Haha, you can spend a whole day there.
I loved the ancient Egypt section.
Yes, the mummies are incredible.
And there was a real temple inside.
The Temple of Dendor, very famous.
You know a lot about it.
I studied art history in university.
Oh, that's cool. Did you enjoy it?
Very much. I love art and history.
Me too. That's why I teach history.
We have a lot in common.
Yes, we do.
Did you take photos?
So many photos. Too many, maybe.
Never too many. Can I see?
Of course. Look.
Oh, Ryan, these are really good.
Thank you. It was a beautiful day.
Very beautiful.
Making plans.
Sophie, I have 4 days left in New York.
4 days is good. Lots to see.
What do you think I should do?
Brooklyn Bridge is a must. Walk across it.
I heard it's very long.
About 30 minutes walk. Great views.
And on the other side?
Dumbo. Very cute neighborhood. Old buildings.
Sounds great. Day 2?
The High Line and Chelsea Market.
What's Chelsea Market?
An old factory, now full of food and shops.
Perfect. And day 3?
Statue of Liberty. You can't miss that.
I need to book a ticket?
Yes, online. Book today or it sells out.
Okay, I'll do it now. And day 4?
Day 4, wherever you want. It's your last day.
Then I want to spend it with you.
Okay, deal.
Talking about family.
Sophie, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, one sister. The one who lives here in Brooklyn.
Are you close?
Very close. She's my best friend.
That's really nice.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, a younger brother. He's 19.
Still in school?
No, he just started university.
What is he studying?
Engineering. He's very smart.
Haha, smart family.
I don't know about me.
Stop it, you're smart.
Thank you. And your parents?
They live in Lyon, in the south of France.
Do you see them often?
Every 2 months, I take the train.
That's nice. Do they speak English?
My mom a little. My dad, not really.
That's okay.
He always tries, though. Very funny.
Evening walk by the river.
Sophie, the river at night is beautiful.
Yes, I love coming here in the evening.
Which river is this?
The East River. Manhattan is on the other side.
The city lights are incredible.
I know. One of my favorite views in the world.
Better than Paris?
Don't tell anyone I said this. Yes, maybe.
I won't tell.
Good.
I'm going to miss the city.
You only have a few more days.
I know. It went so fast.
Good trips always go fast.
True. Sophie, I really enjoyed this week.
Me too, Ryan. Me too.
I didn't expect to make such a good friend.
Neither did I. On a plane.
The best place to meet people.
Maybe. Come, let's walk more.
Talking about free time.
Sophie, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting and cooking.
You paint? Like on canvas?
Yes, mostly landscapes and city scenes.
That's amazing. Are you good?
Not bad. I sell a few online.
Really? That's so cool.
And you? What do you do when you're not teaching?
I play guitar, just for fun.
Oh, I love guitar music.
I'm not very good.
I'm sure you're better than you think.
And I like hiking. Australia has great trails.
I've always wanted to hike.
You should try it. Very good for the mind.
Like painting, you forget everything else.
Exactly. Just you and nature.
That sounds really nice.
Come to Australia and I'll take you hiking.
Is that an invitation?
Yes, a real one.
Then I accept.
A rainy day indoors.
Sophie, it's raining so hard outside.
Haha, yes. Welcome to New York in spring.
I don't want to go out in this.
Let's stay in then. We can watch a movie.
Good idea. What kind of movies do you like?
I like drama and romance. And you?
I like comedy and action.
Haha, so different.
Let's find something in between.
A comedy with a little romance?
Perfect. Do you have Netflix?
Yes. Here, you choose.
Okay, how about this one? It got good reviews.
Oh, I heard about that one. Let's watch it.
Want some tea first?
Yes, please. My sister has good tea.
I'll make it. Milk and sugar?
Just milk, thank you.
Coming up. I feel very British.
Haha, making tea for me. Very nice.
Learning new words.
Sophie, how do you say beautiful in French?
Beau for a man, belle for a woman.
Belle, like belle of the ball?
Exactly. You know French.
Just a little from movies. How do you say thank you?
Merci.
Merci. And good morning?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, Sophie.
Perfect accent.
No, my accent is terrible.
No, it's not. Try again. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
See? Very good.
Now teach me something harder.
Okay. How do you say I love Paris?
How?
J'adore Paris.
J'adore Paris.
Almost. J'adore. Very close.
French is beautiful.
Come to Paris and practice.
Maybe I will.
I'll be your teacher. Talking about dreams.
Sophie, what's your biggest dream?
To have an art exhibition one day.
A real gallery?
Yes, in Paris or maybe New York.
I think you can do it.
Thank you. And your dream?
I want to write a book about history.
Oh, really? What kind?
Stories about real people from the past.
Like a history book, but for normal people?
Exactly. Easy to read, not boring.
I would read that. You'll be my first customer. Deal. Sign my copy.
Of course.
Do you write now? A little. A blog about history. Oh, send me the link.
It's nothing special.
Ryan, send it. I want to read it.
Okay. Good.
And I'll show you my paintings.
Deal.
We're sharing everything now.
Walking on Brooklyn Bridge.
Sophie, this bridge is incredible.
I knew you'd love it.
The view is amazing. Look at Manhattan.
Beautiful from here, right?
Can I take your photo?
Okay, but a nice one.
Always. Stand right there.
Like this?
Perfect. Don't move.
Is it good?
Really good. You look great.
Thank you. Now one of you.
Okay, here.
Smile.
How is it?
Great. I'll put it on Instagram.
Don't. I look terrible.
You look fine. Stop it.
Okay. Sophie, I love this city.
Now you understand why I come every year.
Totally. Maybe I'll come back too.
You should. And next time, stay longer.
Talking about travel.
Sophie, what's the best country you visited?
Japan, without a doubt.
Really? Why Japan?
The food, the people, the culture, everything.
I've always wanted to go.
You must. It's like nothing else.
What was your favorite part?
Kyoto in autumn, the red and orange leaves.
That sounds beautiful.
And the food. Every meal was perfect.
Haha, you and food.
Food is important. And for you, best country?
New Zealand, very close to Australia.
Oh, I heard it's incredible.
Mountains, fjords, green everywhere.
Like a postcard.
Exactly, and very few people.
The opposite of New York.
Yes, very opposite.
One day I'll go.
I'll take you.
Another invitation. The last day.
Sophie, today is my last day.
I know, it went so fast.
Too fast.
What do you want to do today?
Just walk. No plans. just the city.
I like that. Simple and slow.
And with you,
Of course, I'm your guide.
the best guide.
Thank you.
Sophie, this trip was special.
For me too, Ryan.
I didn't expect to meet someone like you.
Someone like me.
Kind, funny, smart, easy to talk to.
Stop it. You're making me blush.
Sorry, it's true though.
You're pretty great too, Ryan.
Okay, let's walk.
Let's walk. Last day in New York.
Buying souvenirs?
I need to buy something for my brother.
What does he like?
Sports. He loves basketball.
Easy then. Get him an NBA cap or jersey.
Good idea. Where?
There's a big sports shop on Fifth Avenue.
And for my mom?
A New York snow globe? Very classic.
She'd love that.
And for yourself?
I don't know. What do you think?
Get a book about New York history.
Perfect. Very me.
Exactly.
And you? Are you buying anything?
I always buy a small painting from a street artist.
That's such a nice idea.
One painting from every city I visit.
How many do you have?
So far, 12.
That's amazing. A whole wall of memories.
Exactly. That's exactly what it is.
Saying goodbye at the airport.
Sophie, well, here we are again. The airport.
Full circle.
1 week ago, I arrived here, very nervous.
And now?
Now, I don't want to leave.
Then stay.
I wish.
I know.
Sophie, I got you something small.
Ryan, you didn't have to.
Open it.
Oh, a little painting of the Brooklyn Bridge.
From that street artist near the park.
Ryan, this is so thoughtful. Thank you.
Now you have 13 paintings.
13, my lucky number.
Perfect then.
Safe flight, Ryan. It was really wonderful.
It really was. Don't be a stranger.
Never. Bye, Ryan.
Bye, Sophie.
Video call. 2 weeks later.
Sophie, good to see your face.
Ryan, how is Melbourne?
Sunny and warm. How is Paris?
Cold and gray. I miss New York.
Me too. Every day a little.
Me too.
I started writing the blog again.
Oh, good. Send me the link. I mean it.
Okay. I finished a new post yesterday.
What is it about?
The history of New York bridges.
Of course. Send it now.
And I put the Brooklyn Bridge photo as the cover.
The one you took with me?
No, the one at the bridge.
Okay, good.
Sophie, I've been thinking.
About what?
Next trip, you pick the city.
Really? Anywhere?
Anywhere.
Then Paris. You have to see my city.
Perfect. When?
2 months?
2 months. Deal.
Can't wait, Ryan.
Me neither, Sophie. Me neither.